What if I told you that one of the sexiest toys you could bring into the bedroom is already sitting on your nightstand? I'm talking about your sleep mask. Yep, that innocent looking thing that you use for sleep that can totally transform your next intimate experience. Hi, I'm Stevi, your certified sex coach and educator, and welcome back to Intimacy Hotline, the space where we talk about all the sexy things that you don't really feel comfortable talking about with anyone else. Now let's get into it. How to turn your everyday sleep mask into a sensual tool for connection, play, and curiosity. No batteries required. Step 1. The power of blindfolding. When you cover your eyes, your other senses heighten. Taste, touch, sound, even smell. That sensory shift is where the magic happens. You're not just taking sight away, you're building anticipation. Every sound, every brush of skin feels more electric because your brain is filling in the blanks. You don't need to make it kinky right away. It can be as simple as, I want to surprise you. Do you trust me? That one line sets the tone. Curious, consensual, playful. Step 2, turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Once the mask is on, slow down everything. Use your fingertips, breath, or a feather light touch to trace their skin. Alternate sensations, cool fingertips, warm breath, ice from a glass. When vision is gone, those tiny contrasts feel huge. It's not about dominance, it's about trust and surrender. Step 3, add layers of play. Now that the mask is doing its job, try adding some sound or scent. Whisper a fantasy in their ear, play soft music or a rhythm game with touch. Introduce scents, perfume, essential oils, even something like vanilla from the kitchen. Each sense that you engage adds depth to the experience. Bonus tip, use it as a sex signal. What's a sex signal, you ask? It's a little tip to let your partner know that you're in the mood. Maybe it's showering at night before bed. Maybe it's a specific candle you light, or even a playlist you like to put on. You can use your mask as a signal for play. If you wear it every night, instead of putting it on before bed, just set it on the bedside table. That way your partner knows that you're ready to have some fun. The point isn't the mask, it's the presence. You're giving your partner a chance to feel, not just see. That's what real intimacy is, attention amplified. So next time when you pack your sleeping mask for a trip, or you're slipping it on before bed, remember, it's not just for sleeping anymore. If you like this, subscribe for more intimacy hacks that turn everyday moments into deeper connection. If you want to go even deeper than that, I offer one-on-one and couples coaching. This is Stevie with Intimacy Hotline. I'll see you next time. Bye.